Okay. So, how to make complaints or show regrets, right? See, you can use both, you can use all these phrases in both these situations. Either you are complaining or you are showing regrets. Fine.
हाँ sir.
For example, like the day you will join some company, right? And then suppose if you are like, you were asked to be on time for your interview. Okay. You were asked to be on time for the interview.
Interview.
But you got stuck somewhere in the traffic, right? And then once you reached there, okay, then the interviewer asked that Lavish, you are late today. So what he is doing? He is showing regret or complaining.
Complain.
He's complaining about you to
Yes.
about you are becoming late, right? Now he says, okay, if he's polite enough, then he will say, I'm sorry to have to say this, Lavish, but you are late today. But now I told you that communication skill is always from
Not make, yeah, from both sides.
both sides, right?
Not not giving conclusion.
Right. Like there shouldn't be a single-sided communication. Okay. If there is a
Hmm.
single-sided communication, then it means either you are a fool, or you have no knowledge about communication, or you don't know how to, counteract with that, situation. So communication helps you to counteract, right? Do you play the counter? What is the video game here? Counter?
Counter strike.
Yeah, Counter Strike, right? So if you don't have, a proper gun, right, then your enemy will shoot you. How? Your enemy
Yes
will
sir.
shoot you. So if you don't have again a proper, reply, right, then you will be considered either a fool or an uneducated person, or maybe that you don't know how to communicate, yeah, right? And thus you lose. Let me tell you, communication skill is very much important. I have seen people, they are very much unaware because you neither learn these things properly in school, in colleges. Did you learn somewhere in your school, college about communication?
About communication. No sir.
Yeah, this is the problem in India. They will never teach you, some good things like how to make money, right? How to improve
Yeah,
your
yeah.
financial condition, right? How to stay motivated, right? And how to, what I was the last thing here.
What sir?
Okay, yeah, communication skill. So all the good things you will never see in any one of the school, college, universities, right? But all the
Yeah
bull-
sir.
but you learn all the bullshit, right? All the bullshit that you will never use in your entire life, right? You will learn
Hmm.
about how Google they did that, right? How that you did that, right? All these things and all. But don't worry, and that is why we never come to know the importance of communication skill, right? Because I have
Hmm.
seen that though the students, right, the learners, the professional student, like they have been working somewhere in some good companies for years, right? They didn't see any growth. Why? Because whenever it was the appraisal, whenever it was the promotion, it was the time to promotion. They you know, they failed to express what they can do for the company. They failed to express how they can, you know, uh, make the company better, or how they can, do something better in future. So this was the barrier due to English. Now the
Hmm.
barrier of the communication skill was they failed how to organize the team. They failed how to unite the team, to work in a team, to lead the team, and all these things can be done when you have really a very good communication skill. Not, I'm not talking about your English. Okay, your English. There are so many people who speaks English. Okay, maybe that in your surrounding there are so many people. right? Who speaks a good English, but doesn't mean that
Mm.
they are good enough, right, to influence people, right? So communication skill is all about influencing people, right?
People.
You
Okay,
ask
sir.
them to lead and then unite this and that. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this is what, right? Now, yeah, I was okay. So since your interviewer, let's go back to the situation. Okay, your interviewer asked
Okay.
what? Okay, so
Like,
Lavish,
why are you late?
yeah, Lavish. I'm sorry to have to say this, but you are late today. Now, how do you show your regret? You can use the same phrase, the same expression, no problem. Okay, what do you say? Yeah, okay. Sir, I feel regret for this, but I'm sorry to have to say this, but there was a little bit traffic jam. You see,
Hmm.
but don't copy that. If he's using this one, then you use this one. Okay. If he's using this one, then you use this one. Okay. So that you could differentiate a little bit. All right. Anyway,
Okay, sir.
you will barely find people like they have, they use these expressions. Trust me, because they don't, give. I, very rare people in India I have seen that they are really want to improve their communication skills. They land with, for one thing, they want to improve their English, right?
Hmm.
Anyway, so then you can say, I'm sorry to bother you, but you are late today. Okay. Then you can again reply with the same expression, sir, I'm sorry to bother you. No, you can't say, I'm sorry to bother you, right? You don't use that. But yes, if you want to complain
Mm.
something, then you can say, sir, I'm sorry to bother you, but you can add something like that. Yeah, like, but yeah,
Hmm.
but I need a couple of I need a couple of your minutes now. For example, the boss is busy, right? Or not boss, yeah, you're a college student, so no boss,
Ah,
only professor, okay, lecturer,
principal, professor. Yeah.
yeah, principal, professor, lecturer. So suppose if you have to ask something, or if you need some help from your, lecturer, professor, then what do you say? Sir, I'm sorry to bother you, but I need your help here. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So what do you do, right? You actually, right, requesting him, right? Fine. And then maybe see, you can use this one. See, the under parenthesis, there is I, right? So you can say that
Huh.
maybe you forget to, sir, maybe you forget to, like, you can tell me. Suppose if I say, so, like, did you come like did we complete, complete the how to make complaints or show regrets, Lavish? Then you can say,
Huh.
by reminding me that, sir, maybe you forget to complete this section. You got it? So what are you doing? So actually, you are politely complaining. You are politely complaining.
Complaining.
Okay? Now you can say that I think you might have forgotten to teach this section.
Hmm.
You're complaining me? Or if I want
Yes,
to
sir.
complain you, then I'll say that, Lavish, I think you might have forgotten to do practice on this. I complain,
Huh.
right?
Sir?
Yes, you complain. Yeah.
I complain there. Now, excuse me if I'm
Yeah.
out of line. Okay, this one is very much polite. Okay, I told you that as I'll go down, the degree of politeness will increase, right? The degree of
Yes, sir.
might increase. Fine. So, what was, excuse me if I'm out of line, but there is something problem in this college. Who is saying this?
Hmm.
You are the students union leader, right? In your college.
Yes, sir.
So do you participate in leadership in your college?
Sir, do you? What,
Do
sir?
you participate in leadership in your college?
Yes, sir. We don't have in our college, but I participated in the school.
Like organizing the students, right? Then
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
taking the leadership, right? Fine. And then fighting for them, right? And if there is any problem, right, then you go and then you talk on behalf of them. So all these, what is things? All these are the qualities of leadership, right? And then you ultimately
Yes, sir.
people start identifying you. Okay, yeah, he's the leader actually, right? So you don't tell, hey, I'm the PU students union leader. Okay, follow me. Hey, I'm the students union leader. Follow me. You don't say like this. If anybody is facing problem, you go to him, you ask the problem, and then you fight for that. If anybody is in problem, you go and you ask for the problem and you fight for that. This is, and then people and the students who are there in your college, they start identifying you as their leader. You got
Leader.
it? So this is how you leader become. You got it? If you got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now there may have been a misunderstanding about. Okay. So suppose if one of your student, okay, or in a student in your college, right? If he, right,
Hmm.
if he is facing any problem, then what do? You go to the principal and sir, there may be a misunderstanding about the, you know, about the about the marks of this student. But I think
Huh.
but I think uh, he has really a very good mark. So, sir, please allow him to, continue in this college. So what he said, you complained, right? And then you requested, right? Fine. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then
Yes, sir.
don't get me wrong, but I think you should improve your behavior because you are in this college. Okay? है ना?
Hmm.
यार ऐसे करके बोलते हैं ना कि यार देखो यार don't get me wrong, but I think you shouldn't behave like this. Okay, or you shouldn't treat your junior students like this. For example, some of these students, right, with the senior students, okay, I'm using the banned word, right, ragging. So
Yes, sir.
suppose few
Hmm.
of the students they want to take the ragging of some of the junior students, then you go and then you interfere there and then you say, hey guys, don't get me wrong, but I think you should not practice ragging anymore. You should know that it is a criminal offense now. You got it? So see
Yes, sir.
here how beautiful this is here. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It's a beautiful way to, what? It's a beautiful way
To express,
to
like,
express your and to make complaints. Now you do practice.
yeah.
Do little bit practice. Just do it.
Yes, sir.
You do that. Take the situation.
Like on your situation.
Any situation. Take any situation. Okay.
Mm, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just a moment. Yeah. Like, I'm sorry to have to say you this, but your your task is not up to date.
Mhm.
I'm sorry to bother you, but there's some there's some mistake in your project.
Mhm.
Maybe you forgot to title your story in the project.
Mhm. Okay. Go on.
I think there maybe have been a misunderstanding about the topic of the project given.
Mhm.
Don't get me wrong, but I think you should have worked hard on this project.
Mhm. Now
Yes, sir.
go fast. You have some assignments. Get late, traffic, smelling, right? Late classes. Okay, just complete this much only, and then I'll leave you. Okay, till
Okay,
late
sir.
classes. Alright, do it as fast as you
Yes, sir. So, sir, is it like 2 to 3 sentences enough for each? assignment, like each thing.
In fact, I want you to practice with all the expressions,
Okay,
right?
I'll try, sir.
So that you could have a little
I'm
bit
sorry to have
practice.
to say, I'm sorry to have to say this, but you're late today. I'm sorry to bother you, but you're late today. I think you might have forgotten to be
Whom you
on
are
time.
saying? Whom you are saying?
So
Whom you are saying?
I'm saying it to my friend.
And who's your friend?
So
Who's your friend?
Ayush. Yeah.
Yes. So always keep in mind real examples, real situations. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
I'm sorry I have to say this, Ayush, but you are late today.
Mhm.
I'm sorry to bother you, Ayush, but you're late today. Ayush, I think you might have forgotten to be on time. Excuse me, Ayush, if I'm out of the line, but you're late today. Don't get me wrong, Ayush, but I think you should have been on time. Sir, I'm sorry to have to say this, but I got late in the traffic. I'm sorry to bother you, sir, but I got late due to the traffic. Excuse me, sir, if I'm out of the line, but I got late due to the traffic. Sir, there may be have been a misunderstanding about me being late. It was due to the traffic. Don't get me wrong, sir, but I think you should excuse me to be late because I was stuck in the traffic. I was stuck in the traffic.
Okay. Done.
I'm sorry to say sir.
Yeah, go on. Go on. Go on. Go on.
Okay, okay. Excuse me. I'm sorry to have to say this, but the food seems smelling. I'm sorry to bother you, but the food is smelling.
Mhm.
Excuse me if I'm out of the line, but the food seems smelling. Don't get me wrong, but I think the food is smelling a lot.
Mhm.
I'm sorry to have to say this, but you're late to class today. I'm sorry to bother you, but you're late to class today. Maybe you forgot to be on time to the class today. I think you might have forgotten to be on time today in the class. Excuse me if I'm out of the line, but you're late to the class.
Mhm.
Don't get me wrong, but I think you're late to the class today.
Done.
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So this is how you do it. Okay. Now, okay, do you have any question, any doubt, anything like that?
No, sir.
No. Good. Then do the practice on the rest of the assignments. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just do it now, and then keep using all these expressions from today onwards. From today onwards. Okay.
Sure, sir.
You do complain, yes, you do so many times complain. You complain to your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your friend. Every now and then you complain. यार ऐसे बॉल मत फेंको यार ऐसे करे मतलब ऐसे शॉट नहीं है ऐसे वैसे नहीं don't sit here, don't touch my phone, right? I'm sorry to have to say this, but don't touch my phone, okay? I'm sorry to
Yes, sir.
bother you, but don't do not play PUBG in my phone, yeah. You asked me to make a call and now you have started to play PUBG in my phone. Don't do that, okay? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Don't get me wrong here, but I think you should not touch my phone. Okay? So this is how you
Hmm.
complain here, right? See, I told you, in our day-to-day life, we use maximum 5 to 7 different, types of sentence structures. That's it. Right. So
Yes, sir.
The more you will practice, right, the better you will become, right? And then you don't, you see the grammar, like the thickness is like this, and the dictionary the thickness is like this. We don't do that. Only few things are there, very, few things that we use in our day-to-day life. Okay, so no problem, nothing, no doubt, nothing like that.
No, sir.
Good job. I'm leaving you now. Okay, enjoy your day. Thank you so much, Lavish. Right, and have a good day.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye.